How to edit screen recording online. Hello guys, Ryan here from Veed, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly record your computer screen for free and then how to edit that footage online. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to record your screen. In the Google Chrome store, I'm going to search for Veed, which is V-E-E-D, and now I'm going to select the Veed.io screen recorder, and on the right hand side I'm going to click Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. And now if I go to the extensions icon in the top right hand corner of my browser, you can see that Veed has been downloaded into my extensions folder. And if I select that, it will open up the Veed.io screen recorder. And now in this menu, you'll see there are three options. You can record your webcam only. You can record your screen and webcam at the same time, which creates a picture-in-picture effect. And then you can just record your screen on its own without the camera as well. I'm going to select the screen and webcam option. And then just underneath, I'm going to check that the correct microphone and camera are selected before I hit start recording. And now the extension is giving me the option of which windows I want to record. So I'm just going to select record entire screen and then hit share. And after a 3-second countdown, my screen is now being recorded. And I can move the camera window to wherever I want it within the frame like so, just by clicking and dragging it. And I can also resize it as well, just by clicking this option here, which will make it bigger. I can fill more of the screen with my webcam. And then when you're finished recording, all you need to do is press stop here, and Veed will now render out that recording, which can take up to a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once it's done, you can review your recording by pressing play. And over on the right hand side, there are some other options. You can select copy link here and send that directly to a friend or a colleague to watch your recording. But underneath, I'm going to select edit video, which will automatically import my screen recording to the Veed editor. And now we can make some edits to the screen recording. Or if you already have a screen recording from Quicktime player or another screen recorder, you can still upload your file. All you need to do is go over to Veed.io, select upload your video, then upload a file, then select your recording, hit open, and you'll see that Veed has imported it into the video timeline. And say we want to remove a section of the video, all you need to do is select your clip in the video timeline, and then move the blue playhead to the start of the section that you want to remove. Say it's about here. Then I'm going to select the scissors, which is the split tool right there. And as you can see, that makes an instant cut in my video. Now I'm going to move my playhead once again to the end of the section I want to remove. So say the end of my mistake is there. Then I'll select the clip again and hit those scissors one more time. And that makes another cut in the video. And as you can see, there's now a middle section selected, which is the area that I want to delete. And now I'll just select that clip, hit delete on my keyboard. And then I'm just going to move the other clips in the timeline together like so. You can also make edits using the trim tool. Again, just select the clip in the timeline, then hover your cursor above the end of the clip and then click and drag to remove as much or as little as you want from either end of the clip. You can also use Veed to add additional text on screen, you can add music, and you can even add subtitles. And this can be really handy to add on top of a screen recording of a presentation. To do that, I'm just going to select subtitles on the left-hand side, and then I'll select auto transcribe. Now I'll select the language that I speak in the video, which is English, and then hit start. Veed will now automatically transcribe the audio in my video, and when it's done, you can see that it's automatically added some subtitles on top of my recording. And if the editor has made any mistakes and picked up some words incorrectly, you can change any wording in the text boxes over on the left-hand side, and you can make any changes to when the subtitles appear on screen by selecting the text boxes on top of your video and just clicking and dragging the ends like so. And by selecting the Styles tab at the top of the subtitles menu, I can change the font, I can change the size, I can change the color of my text, and I can even apply some automatic stylings from these options at the bottom of the menu. When you're finished editing, it's time to export your recording. And all you need to do is go to the top right-hand corner of the editor and select export. If you have added subtitles, you just need to make sure that the burn subtitles option is selected and then hit export video. On this next page, I can review my edited video one more time, and if I'm happy, I can either share it by hitting that copy link option, or I can select download MP4, which downloads my edited video to my computer. And that is how to edit screen recordings online. If you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a like, and if you want some more easy to follow editing tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.